and welcome to WWE Girl Talk. I'm Coral.
I'm Ashley.
And right now we're doing the Raw for the 28th of December. I was going to say we're doing the 28th of December. Like, what are we reviewing, people? It's just Raw.
We literally just went through it, Coral.
I know. It's alright.
Oh well.
Yeah.
We're up to date.
I'm not professional, so.
Yeah. Basically, we start off Raw with I'm about to say we start off Raw with SmackDown. That's wrong.
See, we're not with it.
We start off
Clearly.
Raw with Vince McMahon.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah. I was like, oh, cool. Like he might actually say something good.
No.
No. So he says basically for Roman Reigns to get out of here because he assaulted his daughter or some shit verbally, and assaulted him 2 weeks ago, and he's had a bad neck since something, wasn't it?
Like that.
And
Shouldn't have been arrested 2 weeks ago then?
yeah,
When it happened. That's just a court claim.
cool. And so yeah, he asked Reigns to come out, and they basically have a little bit of a tittle-tattle. I can't switch off if I'm honest. I was like, oh, okay, doing this again.
Not exactly new, is it?
No. And then Roman Reigns pushes Vince McMahon on the floor, and it looked really, really shit.
Mm.
Vince McMahon oversold that so bad.
Yeah. Take less than some dull signal.
Yeah, so it was very dull. He's like, oh, my neck, oh, my neck. And Stephanie comes to the ring with police officers. And
Tours.
And she tells the police officer to arrest Roman Reigns for what he did. And the police officer is like, no, we're here to protect you but not arrest people.
Why are they wasting police's time? Shouldn't they have security for that?
I know, right? And Mr. McMahon gets up and starts screaming in the detective's face, like saying, do you not know who I am? I'm Vince McMahon.
Good for you.
And then Vince gets arrested, and it's very dramatic.
He gets arrested for no fucking reason.
Yeah, it was just a bit.
You can't get arrested for that.
No, I think he pushed the policeman or something, and then he got arrested. And Reigns is laughing.
Did you hear some people actually phoned up?
Yeah.
Stupid.
So stupid. Can you get?
Yeah.
It was so like it wasn't even acted well.
No.
Come on. So that was a bit of a shit fest, really.
Yeah.
And I was just like, oh god.
Everyone kind of
really?
was like.
It's just all a bit like pointless.
I love how Roman Reigns hasn't actually wrestled properly since he's got the championship.
Now he's in this weird Vince McMahon thing, and it's like, but no one cares about Vince McMahon anymore. It's kind of. He's 70 years old, man. Who cares?
And everyone knows he's ruined the WWE.
Yeah. He ruined his own product.
Yeah. I feel like he wants to be the last owner of it, so he's like,
Yeah.
done with you all.
Fuck you all, bitch. So they had Kevin Owens vs Neville, which was a bit weird. But it didn't last long because Neville rolled Kevin Owens up
Yeah.
really quickly and won.
How?
And then Kevin Owens literally lost his shit and attacked the shit out of Neville. That was good though. The way he attacked him was really good. And then like there was all
I'm the wrestler of the year.
yeah, there was all these refs and they're like, no, stop. And all of a sudden as they're getting like Neville up to walk backstage, all of a sudden Kevin Owens just starts running down the ramp and like clotheslines the shit out of him. And the refs can't help. They assisted the assault. They're holding him like, come on.
It's like when the ball runs to the
yeah, I had to say that. Yeah. Yeah, and then he went to pop a powerbomb Neville onto the apron, and Dean Ambrose went. But then I think Dean got big up, didn't he?
So, can't remember. What? Someone did.
Oh, the refs pulled them apart.
Oh, that was it.
And that was it, really.
I'd prefer him to fight.
Yeah. Just say it for later, but I don't know. They have JoJo backstage
JoJo.
with Becky Lynch, and JoJo tells Becky Lynch that Charlotte's not there. Because Charlotte says she wants Becky Lynch to be able to win on her own without Charlotte's help.
If they're so close, wouldn't Becky Lynch already know that?
Yeah, that's what I exactly thought when. Did you not see the tweet tonight that Charlotte sent out? I think that's what she was saying. And
Well, maybe she's not backstage.
Yeah. Well, Becky's like, there's no hard feelings. I'm not here to fit in. I'm here to show out.
They are pushing Becky Lynch quite a bit though.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. They had Becky vs Sasha Banks, and they got a decent match length, but they didn't do nothing with it.
No, it was better than the other one.
Yeah, but they just spent a lot of time lying around the floor. Do you not think?
I feel like they're being told not to shine.
Yeah, I thought it was the way Sasha Banks was wrestling was not very herself. She's not one of those people who lays on the floor for ages with someone.
No, she's not.
That's not how she wrestles, ever.
Especially if there was a video for... I think I was skipping through NXT because I was like just checking it wasn't an actual episode. Because, oh yeah, we're not doing NXT this week in case you're wondering where it is. It's just a recap show 2015. So.
Don't need to review it.
No. Yeah, we done it. But I was skipping through it and there was the 4 Horsewomen. And I was just like, we always give you the show and things like that. And they did. And now they're not.
Yeah.
Even Charlotte ain't. Like, she's champion.
It's like they've made all the effort to get to the main roster and was like, oh, we're here now. So.
Yeah, made it.
Okay. Yeah. That's kind of what it feels like. Anyway, Becky Lynch actually lost because Team Bad got involved on the outside. And I kind of annoy me that Becky lost because they're just making Charlotte look better. Like, proving Charlotte right that Becky can't win without her, which is kind of annoying.
Because that's what they're doing.
Well, because Becky used to win matches on her own in NXT anyway. Charlotte and Becky weren't a thing back then, so...
No, it was Sasha and Becky.
Yeah. I just don't know. Anyway, Renee was at the police station and she tells us that Miss McMahon has been booked and is being processed.
That happened fast.
Yes.
Don't they just stand in a cell for ages? Yeah. Happened fast.
Then had Kofi Kingston versus Kalisto, which was quite good, but it was quite quick. Kalisto actually won. I thought it was quite a random place to win because he didn't do it. He did just like a standard move that he does to get into his sequence, but he just kind of randomly won. And then after the match, the New Day get in the ring and it looks like Xavier Woods is about to challenge Sin Cara.
Yeah, he even took his top off. I was like, oh, exciting.
And he's like, Big E, you're gonna shut up to it. And I was like, I actually started laughing, so I was like, oh, typical. So then we had Big E versus Sin Cara, and basically,
I've been waiting to talk about it.
Basically, Big E has injured Sin Cara.
Yeah, you see the moment.
Yeah.
He lands on it, but I don't think it was Big E's fault.
No.
I think it was Sin Cara.
How he landed.
Yeah, because he lands like that.
He should have landed more.
Yeah, like that. I feel like because you see it and you see his arm go like that, and the rest of the match he's actually holding it like that. And I was just like, fuck.
Kudos to him for carrying on.
Oh yeah.
Like he did still carrying on like normal.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
Did he win?
No, he didn't.
Oh, did he not?
No, I don't think he did. Yeah, Big E won. I kind of felt like Big E won because Sin Cara was injured, so the ref was like, you need to hurry up.
You can finish it.
Yeah, I need to finish this now.
But yeah, you did carry on. He did some good flips and stuff with, like while it was there.
Yeah, but it was quite exciting to see it happen. Like, I know it sounds really bad, but like the trainers are checking on him, and I find it amazing how everyone tries to carry on like normal, but they're like, you can tell Big E was like shit. Like, you can see it on his face, but he was still going like, oh my arm, but you can see on his eyes, he was like, oh fuck, I've injured him. Like you could see it, and I was just like, oh, that's so sad.
It's just that moment though. It was the boom, and then there's a replay of it as well. And he's like,
they replay it for weeks.
I know. It's actually got Sling now as well.
But Sin Cara always botches. It didn't surprise me.
True.
So it actually made me laugh that it was Sin Cara.
Yeah, this is gonna be Kalisto's like moment now.
Yeah, I think it is. I think Kalisto could definitely go on his own. Personally, I think Sin Cara is actually holding him back.
Yeah.
And I'll speak about that on SmackDown. Anyhow, Big E won, obviously. So then we have Miz. Oh, this was TV. This was TV. This was funny. We had Miz TV in the ring to talk about the best moments of 2015.
Oh yeah.
And before Miz can actually say anything, Ryback comes out and he gets in the ring and burps on the microphone.
Oh yeah. I was like on it. I was like, right?
I was like, that's Coral. He's like, sorry. It was a bit like. Was that an accident, or did you mean to do that? I couldn't quite tell.
It's like the video I did for Facebook from Winter Wonderland. Me and Nick were singing in the camera, and Jake's going,
right in Nick's face.
Yeah, like we're just singing, and he just goes, it's on Facebook if you have
Ooh. Anyway, Ryback doesn't really say anything apart from burps on the mic. That's all I can remember, him burping down the microphone. And as, actually, I think Ryback's like, 2016 could be my year.
Oh yeah, it's alright. I was like, better not be.
My knee. Goldust comes out because Goldust is actually quite funny now. He's got a bit of a personality now.
Yeah, he's got humour now.
He's got. Oh, I thought he said he's got humans now. I was like, he's got humans. And he asked The Miz if he's going to win a Golden Globe. And then before, like, there could be an answer, Zack Ryder come out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Make their mind up if he's on WWE.
I know, or NXT.
Or NXT. He should be a hype bro, always.
Hype, bro, hype. Zack Ryder always gets really good crowd reactions though, which is quite odd.
They should bring up the hype bros.
I think they should. I think they'd fit in quite well, especially against New Day.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to say this until they do it.
Yeah, New Day. But he was like, when he said it was going to be the year of Zack Ryder, I was like, what the hype, bro?
Yeah, what about, I was going, Mojo Rawley. What about Mojo?
What about Mojo? Oh, I forgot to put my phone inside.
Oh, this is just ridiculous.
I thought I did that. Why am I being sent a photo? I don't know. Right.
That sounds funny.
I'll investigate afterwards.
Sounds a bit dodgy, doesn't it?
I know. Someone I don't even talk to.
There's probably some drama going on. Anywho, all the time. Oh yeah, Zack Ryder. Forgetting about Mojo Rawley, which is always good.
Yeah.
And then R-Truth comes out and gets in the ring. And he's like, I just want to tell everyone that every member of the roster is eligible for Superstar of the Year, and everyone's to vote for R-Truth, because that's the truth. And then Miz is like, Truth, the Slammies were last week. You won a Slammy.
You won, did he win? Funniest moment.
Yeah. And he's like, oh, my bad. That's my fault. Then Heath Slater comes out.
We didn't even say anything, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, we do.
He's like, I have a lot to say. And then it's like, where's the Big Show?
Yeah, that was it.
And then Big Show comes out. And then, sorry, Heath Slater got a really good crowd reaction as well.
Yeah.
It's actually surprising how the mid-card, lower card guys actually get more of a crowd reaction than Roman Reigns does.
It's because no one fucking gets to see him.
Yeah. I prefer to see them than...
I feel like we need a mid-card show.
We do. We definitely do.
Like in between NXT and the... Like, can't we have ECW back?
Yeah, the mid-card was all on there.
Yeah.
Big Show comes in, and then Heath Slater goes, I have a lot to say, and then Big Show literally punches him in the face. Big Show tries to punch everyone in the face. Ryback's in the corner just waiting, and R-Truth punches himself in the face because he doesn't want Big Show to punch him in the face, which was really funny. And then Big Show's like, nah, chokestands him instead. And then he's like, I'm going to enter myself as #1 in the world. And I was like, I don't care.
He's like, I'm gonna win to #1.
Oh no, that's stupid.
Yeah, okay.
Why do who wants to be #1? Who? If Big Show wins, I'm gonna like stop watching this. I can't deal with another Reigns and Big Show feud. I can't.
Oh,
we had that for like a year, didn't we? Oh, it's actually making me sick to think about it. Gross.
That's if Reigns still has the championship.
That's true.
He will.
Ryback then attacks Big Show, and then they start to have a match. But then Big Show comes out again, which is really odd. So like, Ryback's just waiting, and there's like, where's the Big Show? And he comes back out from behind the curtain, and you're like, didn't you just come out? Why did we see you twice? Anyway, the match happened, like anyone actually cared. And Ryback won by a count out because Big Show walked away, couldn't bothered. Can't do that in the Royal Rumble though. No. Yourself #1, you've got to stay in.
He'll be eliminated in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, hopefully. Cesaro will come back and eliminate him. But, yeah. We then had League of Nations for Dean Ambrose and the Usos.
When did we not have that?
Well, what League of Nations was it? Do you remember? It was Sheamus and...
Rusev, wasn't it?
Sheamus and... Oh, it was Sheamus and Rusev, you're right. Sheamus and Rusev. So I don't remember this match. That's how, like... Oh, it was... Oh, hang on. There's 3, right, isn't there? Yeah.
Bad News Barrett.
What's Bad News Barrett fighting? Oh, yeah, because Alberto Del Rio is in the match. Why is it... Sorry. my mind's going like 1,000 miles an hour. Why is King Barrett in the ring? I thought he was injured. He had a neck injury. Did he actually do anything in the match? I can't remember.
I don't know. But Rusev seems more likeable.
They were doing that Mexican way. Yeah.
I feel like he's having fun.
Yeah, Rusev has actually like got a personality now.
But he doesn't say anything though.
No, but he's just so happy to be there.
Yeah. He's like, yeah, I'm a bro.
I've got my buddy.
I feel like he could be a hype bro.
Hype bro. He's wearing his little flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, because hype and bros.
Yeah. Yeah. He seems a bit likeable, but he doesn't say anything, so it's fine.
Yeah, I know what you mean. He like was just so happy to have like other people there. Yeah, they did the Mexican wave because basically the crowd were doing it. I don't know who started it because I tried to look to see who started it out of them three, but it skipped it because there's an advert. But it was Rusev, Sheamus, and Spanish Barrett going, "Way!" And they were like doing it between them three. And I thought it was just so funny. Like it really cracked me up. It's the best part of the match.
Best part of fucking Raw.
Yeah. League of Nations won. Because basically, when Jimmy Uso was outside the ring with a bad knee again for most of the match. That's what the Usos do now, they take it in turns. Who's going to have the bad knee today? Me or you?
No one will know the fucking difference.
They had their little names, not tattooed, but like on their shorts, don't they?
I thought they didn't in the end.
Yeah, under the flappy bit.
Oh.
Yeah. It's kind of pointless having the flappy bit, because you can't really see who you are. Hi. Because the commentators don't fucking know.
No.
They get Kalisto and Cara mixed up. Xavier Woods has to like correct them.
And they're usually like, one of the Los Matadores.
Yeah, which is one of them. It's one of the Los Matadores. Whoa. After the match, Kevin Owens appears and attacks Dean Ambrose. He puts him into the steps and then barricade and then pop-up powerbombs him on the announce table. And Dean Ambrose sold it very well. He was like he was having a seizure.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah. I was actually concerned. I was like, is he okay? But he was alright.
Yeah.
He was alright. He was just very good.
Afterwards.
Yeah, he's just very good at looking like he's injured.
I'm pretty sure if you have like a seizure, you get carried around a stretcher.
Yeah, for sure.
He didn't. Got up and cut it out.
That's fine. They have Renee at the police station again, and she's like, Mr. McMahon has made bail in half an hour, and
fast.
Basically, Mr. McMahon tries to walk out, and she's like, Mr. McMahon, can I have a word with you, please? About like what is happening? And he's like, get out of my face, and gets in the car. The thing is, it's not like a random, it's not like a random news reporter. It's Renee. Yeah, who works for your company. Surely you'd want to say like, Roman Reigns, you're gonna get fired.
Going down.
Damn.
Don't you think though that Stephanie's been really whiny? Like,
Oh, Dad!
I was like,
I just sat there. I was like, I'm going to have to forward this in a minute.
Yeah, I was just like, no!
Glasses were breaking.
He's not being killed. He's just being taken away for 2 minutes.
And you're rich. You could ban him out easily.
Yeah.
Talk about over. It was so.
Yeah. He's not been taken for ransom. Like.
We had the main event, right, which took an hour long, by the way. Did you not?
Was it an hour?
Yeah, basically, John Cena Alberto Del Rio had a speaking segment for 20 minutes, and then had a match for like half an hour, and then Vince McMahon.
I suppose it didn't seem as long for me because I have it on fast forward.
Oh, right, yeah. But John Cena come out, and he's talking about it should be a good time for this open challenge. So Alberto Del Rio comes out, because originally it wasn't a title match, but then John Cena coached him into it being a title match. It was funny because he threw his t-shirt out to the crowd and they threw it back in the ring.
Yeah, after I was watching it like, I swear he just threw it.
And he was like, the crowd had more balls than you do, Alberto Del Rio. Put the title on the line. And Alberto Del Rio's like, fine, I put the title on the line. I thought John Cena handled it very well.
Yeah.
Like, Roman Reigns probably would have cried his eyes out like, oh, no one likes me. But
John Cena's used to it.
yeah, he is. He handled it well.
I'm glad to have him back. That's
I know,
sad.
it was quite good. I didn't not enjoy the speaking segment.
It was like, someone who can handle a microphone.
Yeah, it was. It was like, wow. Reigns used to take note, like seriously. And yeah, but then John Cena and Alberto Del Rio had this match, and I completely lost interest.
Yeah.
Because Alberto Del Rio.
Yeah. You can say more.
I just can't get into him, especially those stupid gold fucking patterns. Which you can see every bulge for them. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Literally, like when he's like on the turnbuckle, like punching someone in the face. You know the cameras are quite close up. I can't look at anything else. It's right there. You're like, hello. It's like a snail, like in the shell. Like, I want to come out and play. It's very distracting. Anyway, enough about Del Rio's dick. Yeah, John Cena wins by disqualification though, which is kind of
Yeah, how was that? How did he get disqualified?
because Sheamus, Rusev, and Barrett come in and break up the pin when he break up the AA. The thing is though, they have forgotten that John Cena has a rematch clause.
Yeah.
Because they were like, come on, just be an open challenge. But I feel like they've forgotten.
Hopefully there's a rematch. Yeah,
I hope John Cena gets it. I'm fed up about Del Rio being a champion. He's just so boring. He looks like I don't want to be there anyway. He's so fucking miserable.
Let's bring back the open challenge.
It could be Zack Ryder's year.
Oh yeah. Oh, like on SmackDown, we'll talk about SmackDown with Curtis Axel.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna get eliminated again this year.
And I'll be in the Royal Rumble 2 years running. Anyway, we'll talk about SmackDown. Yeah, after the match, they'll try and beat up Cena. And the Usos come in, but they get destroyed. Then Roman Reigns comes out and spears Rusev. And Superman punches Del Rio. Sheamus grabs a chair. And they're about to get in the ring, but Sheamus misses a chair shot and has a Superman punch in the face. Then Vince McMahon comes out and tells Reigns that next week he'll defend the WWE title against Sheamus, and the special referee will be him.
So, obviously, Sheamus. I feel like if he's special referee, he's going to get knocked out or something.
So it's going to happen.
Because for the pure fact that otherwise Sheamus will win.
Yeah.
So I don't get it.
I don't know. I don't know how they're going to play it.
Well, they'll be DQ.
But apparently, when Raw went off air, John Cena and Reigns had a stare down in the ring.
Yeah, I heard about this.
Yeah.
No, we don't need that. We
don't need another storyline running while someone else is trying to be finished.
Don't need that.
I don't know if I can handle Reigns and John Cena.
Plus, if John Cena gets the championship again, he's the longest.
Longest. What's it? Not longest.
Most title.
Yeah.
Holdings, which beats Ric Flair.
Yeah, interesting.
I don't really want him to win Royal Rumble as well, because I feel like he'd win it too many times. I want someone else to have a shot.
I already have a feeling Finn Balor's going to win it. I've changed my mind.
Is he actually going to do it though?
Have you seen the Royal Rumble promo? They have these figures, and they're all like... They're like clay figures in the like as in a Colosseum, like in the Roman Colosseums. Men, and they had it carved out of the rest of the spaces.
Alright.
And the one that's the last man standing, like holding up, like he's the winner. The outline looks like Finn Balor to me.
Really?
So I think it might be Finn Balor. I think that'd be a good way to bring him up. I think it's well known enough now, personally, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We will see.
We will see. So what we're gonna rate this for?
2.
I would say 1.
I only like the Mexican way. We give it a 2 for Rusev. Come on.
Wow. 1.5.
Okay. Just for you, Rusev.
Yeah, for you, Rusev. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow us, love us.
Like us, love us, goodbye.
Comment below.
Oh yeah, do that.
Yeah.